Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about crypto.com coin and a quick little Tectonic price update for you, one of the largest dApps on the Cronos chain. Yes, that's right, for the CRO Coin. But guys, you know what? CRO is not performing the way that I think a lot of CRO investors would like it to be moving right now, right? Bitcoin's moving even faster than CRO. But I think there's a very clear reason for that, and I got a great little article I want to share with you guys along with a price update. It does look like CRO might be bouncing right now against Bitcoin when you look at the Bitcoin versus CRO chart. So we'll take a look at that, and we'll kind of lay out a reason why. You know, I'm still very bullish on CRO, of course, and I do think it's due for a big run, not only against Bitcoin, but just up in general, because I think there's one thing that's holding it back right now, which we'll talk about here in this video. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing videos every day for you. When we hit 10,000 subscribers in the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So do consider subscribing and joining us as a member. A lot of great perks for the members on the channel. All you got to do is go to the channel and join right there. Guys, right now, this crypto market is still looking great at $1.1 trillion. Bitcoin was above $25,000 earlier today, decided to come back down a little bit. Still playing in a very fair range. No need to panic, guys. Market cap's looking good overall. Of course, we keep dabbling in this 20,000 to 25,000 range here. A lot of people are thinking, hey, there might be a breakout coming for Bitcoin soon. But what about CRO Coin? You know, what's happening with CRO? Well, when you look at it, it's down to rank number 37 right now in market cap, and it's under $2 billion. So it is down compared to some of these other projects. That being said, you know, Binance hasn't been performing that incredibly either. It's been all right, just kind of hanging in there. It is a bigger project, currently at $48 billion market cap, but it's kind of always been there. And then you got other exchange tokens that are kind of flying up out of nowhere. OKB, which is really not even an American exchange. So that's an interesting piece here, because the big thing that I think is holding back CRO right now and Binance from gains is regulation in America, guys. Regulation in the USA. But one thing you got to keep in note here is that the government, when they do come out and they do officially regulate it, that this is going to basically give the green light for all of these exchanges to be back on everybody's buy list. And so it's kind of a buy while there's blood in the streets kind of thing, guys, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but, you know, great article here from CoinDesk. Coinbase executive says U.S. Congress needs to step up its crypto regulatory efforts. Well, why would he say that? The chief policy officer for Coinbase said that this exchange would love to register. It's two dormant broker-dealers, but the reality is that there's no clear direction that's been provided by lawmakers on Capitol Hill. Recently, I believe it was Kraken had to pay a $30 million fine to the SEC, and the SEC, Gary Gensler, tweeted out, oh, well, all they had to do was register, and the CEO of Kraken said, oh, if I had known it was just that simple to just register, then I would have done it. I wish I had known. My bad. He was being sarcastic, guys. Why? Because the instruction's not very clear from the SEC. So when Gary Gensler says that it's easy to register, it's not. The SEC has not made it very easy. And so once these companies, Coinbase and Kraken and crypto.com, can register with the SEC, that is a green light for investors saying this token is fair game. And I think that, you know, people understand that. There's a lot of people that understand that. So in the meanwhile, what you're looking at right now is a price chart of CRO Coin versus Bitcoin. We're going to continuously look in on this chart. And it does look like we might potentially be getting a bounce here. And, you know, you can expect to see kind of CRO Coin to move up versus Bitcoin potentially, guys, if we kind of stay in this pattern. Maybe, you know, a good 7% here in the next week, possibly. Potentially, right? If this does a true bounce off this resistance, and then, you know, you're not really going to see a big bull run of CRO versus Bitcoin until we kind of zoom out. And of course, we go back to November, right, of 2021, October, November of 2021. This was kind of the bull market. And guys, I want you to keep in mind, even though CRO can trade sideways or down to Bitcoin sometimes, that doesn't mean that CRO Coin's not going up in price, right? This is a CRO versus Bitcoin chart. This is not a CRO versus the US dollar chart. So even if this trades sideways, the CRO Coin price could still be going up. If Bitcoin goes to 50,000 and CRO goes to 20 cents, you know, guys, then we're going to see this chart blast up for CRO because it's going to go higher than Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin goes to 50,000 and CRO only makes it to let's say 10 cents, then this is going to trade sideways to down because then Bitcoin's moving up faster. But eventually, guys, there will be an altcoin rally and there will be another breakout against CRO. So here's a couple crucial levels that I've just been eyeballing here on the CRO versus Bitcoin chart that you got to keep in mind. And so just know, guys, there may be some upside for CRO against Bitcoin, possibly in the midterm here, as things are bullish for crypto overall here in Q1. Maybe we could get a little breakout on this. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that. And then the other thing to consider, guys, is that it is very, very valuable, Crypto.com, because of Cronos. The Cronos ecosystem is huge. And Tectonic is a great example of an awesome potential 100x project that is built on the Cronos chain. When you look at the all-time chart, it is way down from previous all-time highs. And even in the last year, it is so far down, guys, that if it gets back to those levels, there will be insane gains for investors. And if you do look at the last 3 months, it's breaking up and out right now. So that's really great to see. So there's going to be a lot of great plays for projects to buy within the Cronos ecosystem. And knowing that the Cronos ecosystem is successful, keep an eye out, guys, because eventually I do believe that CRO Coin will recover on this Bitcoin chart. And then, of course, one day I think we'll have a $1 CRO Coin and possibly even upwards of a $5 CRO Coin, so long as Crypto.com continues to do the good work that they've been doing with getting the regulatory approval that they need in every country they operate in, and so long as the SEC gets their act together and starts telling people exactly how they can start to register with their government agency. Folks, we're giving away a loaded lion on the channel when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel, so do not miss this giveaway. All you got to do is follow us at _crypto_report on Twitter, and additional entries towards this giveaway if you are a member on our YouTube channel. Go to the link in the description down below and you'll see how to become a member. And there's a private Discord for all the members as well. So we'll talk directly with you and the Crypto Report community, my partner and I, Black Sea. Guys, that's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, you got to remember, folks, it's a long game. You got a DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.